Is your garage more of a headache than a haven? It's time to reclaim that space and make room for what matters. Welcome to See It Gone Junk Removal, where we turn messy garages into organized, functional spaces in Marysville, California. At See It Gone, we understand that a clean garage isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating a space that works for you. Our expert team is here to simplify your garage cleanout experience, making it easy, efficient, and eco-friendly. Our cleanout process is designed to be both efficient and thorough. Our skilled team works quickly, paying attention to every detail. We leave no stone unturned, ensuring that everything you no longer need is removed. Your garage will be spotless, and the process will be completed in no time. Why choose See It Gone for your garage cleanout? It's more than just a service. It's a commitment. Our dedicated team understands the local area, prioritizing both customer satisfaction and environmental well-being. We recycle what we can and ensure proper disposal, contributing to sustainability efforts in Marysville. Personalized service, local expertise, and a focus on sustainability, we're your stress-free solution for garage cleanouts in Marysville, CA. Ready to transform your garage? Contact See It Gone Junk Removal today for a free quote at 530-328-3872. Let's turn your clutter into clarity.